Matter in space destroys theory of relativity. Joseph George. Researcher and author. Einstein introduced the theories of relativity, special and general, between 1905 and 1915, and he used them to explain many important phenomena in the universe. Special relativity is an explanation of how speed affects mass, time, and space. General relativity is the geometric theory of gravitation. However, I have a different approach, which can provide an alternative and perhaps better explanations for all phenomena which are explained by relativity. Space is filled with a form of matter and the Michelson-Morley experiment has failed to detect it. Please watch my other videos also. All kinds of mass defects in nature release this matter to space, and the release of energy in a nuclear reaction is due to the rapid huge expansion, or detonation, of missing mass to the above stated matter. According to Einstein, gravity creates curvature in space and time, and he used this idea to explain starlight bending, gravitational lensing, precession of Mercury's orbit, etc. However, I believe that gravity of celestial bodies holds a denser region of the above stated matter around the bodies, similar to the atmosphere. When light passes through these regions, light will be refracted and bent. This can explain starlight bending and gravitational lensing. The presence of the denser region near the Sun exerts a buoyant force on the Mercury against gravity. This force will be maximum when the Mercury is in perihelion. Because of this, each time when Mercury approaches the perihelion, the planet's orbit will be slightly altered. This can explain Mercury's orbital anomaly. The density of matter in space decreases with increasing distance from a gravitational body. This results in the atoms in an atomic clock becoming slightly lighter. The frequency of photons that are emitted by the lighter atoms in the atomic clock will be different. This causes the time dilation in the satellite navigation GPS systems. When a particle moves through space, its interaction with the matter in space causes the particle's mass to increase and its length, or thickness, to decrease in the direction of motion. These effects will become obvious as the particle's speed approaches the speed of light. In fact, I believe that there are better explanations for all phenomena which we currently deal with the theory of relativity. I think about the possibility that perhaps UFOs are taking advantage of the denser region around celestial bodies, for example, the Earth, to create an anti-gravity effect with the buoyant force exerted by the matter in space. I also think about the possibility that perhaps there is a connection between the wave nature of matter and the presence of matter in space. Perhaps the constant collision of moving particles with the matter in space causes the wave nature of matter.